In this video, we will demonstrate the installation of a local USB printer using the Honeywell Driver Wizard. First, go to hsmftp.honeywell.com and access the download portal. Navigate to the following path. Click on Software, then select the Printer option from the drop-down, then select Printer Software and Driver option, then Printer Driver option. After that, Windows Print Driver, then click on Current. Check in Right Plane and download the file Honeywell 2023.1m1 zip file. Go to the downloaded.exe file folder and double-click on it. Accept the license agreement and click on Next. Select the default folder path. C. Honeywell Driver and click on Next. Click on Finish to complete the setup. Go to the Driver folder and click on the Driver Wizard application. Select the Install Printers Driver option and click on Next. In the next window, system automatically detects a connected USB printer, or you can select other option and click on Next. Select the manufacturer and printer model and click on Next. Select the USB port and click on Next. Click on Finish to complete the printer installation. Go to Devices and Printers. Select the printer and right-click on the printer icon, open Printer Properties and click on the Print Test Page button. If the test page prints successfully, then the printer is installed correctly. Thank you for watching.